is my compact bidet sprayer for travel from Amazon. So, as an Asian person, we are used of using tabo or bidet as we wash our bum after using the body or using the toilet. So here is a smart way if you are in a country who don't use any like bidets or just tissue. Here is the bidet. It's chargeable. So initially I didn't know what that is, but then I figured it was like something you can mount your bidet or your sprayer, and that is the charger. So the good thing of this one is you can charge it and it will be good for like days. I mean, at least for me it was good for days. And then as an outdoorsy person,